My slang's out of this world. Mixed collaboration, man, little man and his girl. Way of life got me thinking. Plus I'm analyzing young youths on roofs, you know, 3-time felony groups.
We have the first problem is 8.6, number 6. Okay, so they give us 1 to infinity, integral from 1 to infinity of dx over x to the 20 over 19. Okay, so first of all, as we see, this is a p integral, right? So this is a special one. So we kind of have two different categories. So the first is determined by the interval. So we have 1 to infinity. So this is going to be the first case. And then that diverges into two, well, diverges. That splits off into two separate, I guess, values. Or it either converges or diverges according to what the p-value is. And as we can see here, p equals 20 over 19, which is greater than 1. So this does converge, which is good. So now we have to evaluate the value to which it converges. So then we get 1 to infinity, and then this is the same thing as x to the negative 20 over 19 dx. And then we apply the limit, the handy-dandy limit, as r approaches the top one, in this case. So we're going to go from 1 to r. And then we have our normal, the rest is just the same. So we're going to evaluate the integral and then plug in r at the end. Okay? So what this equals is, and we just keep rewriting the limit thing in the front. So this is going to be an x to the negative 1 over 19, right? Because we're going to add a 1, which is positive 19 over 19. And then that means that we have to have a negative 19 out here in front. Okay? And then this is evaluated from 1 to r still. So now we plug in the r. So we still have our limit out here in front. And then we get negative 19 r to the negative 1 over 19. And then minus a negative 19. And then this is a, oh, well, that was weird. And this is a 1 to the negative 1 over 19. So this second term here, these are going to turn positive. So this is just going to be a positive 19. Okay, so we'll get limit as r goes to infinity of positive 19. And I'm just going to switch the order here. Minus 19 over r to the 1 over 19. Okay, so then if we plug in our infinity for r, we're going to get 19 minus 19 over infinity to the 1 over 19. And this on the bottom basically just is infinity itself, which makes the second term 0. And our final answer is 19.